Good evening, everyone. We gather today to celebrate the true pillars of our educational community, our exceptional students and dedicated teachers through this award ceremony. I kindly invite our distinguished trustee, Mrs. Bharti Ramachandran Ma'am, Member of Management, Mrs. Radhika Sudhakar, Honorable Principal of Nasik Cambridge School, Mr. Shanmuganand Sundaram Sir, and Honorable Principal of Seven Islands International School, Mr. V.P. Prabhu, our Chief Guest, Dr. Archana Patki, to grace the stage and recognize the outstanding achievements of our students as well as the unwavering commitment of our educators. We commence these Students' Awards for the academic year 2023-24. We proudly recognize the academic brilliance of our grade 12 IGCSE board students who have achieved exceptional results. Our distinguished dignitaries will now honor these outstanding scholars who have demonstrated extraordinary academic excellence in their A-level examinations. I call upon grade 12 students to receive the A-level awards. Beginning with the most prestigious Proficiency Award, the Proficiency Award goes to Grade 1 Orchid Master Kalp Nandu, Grade 1 Tulip Master Tanishq Parab, Grade 2 Orchid Master Kedar Chande, Grade 2 Tulip Master Parth Rane, Grade 3 Orchid Master Harshit Dhuri, Grade 3 Tulip Master Advika Iyer, Grade 4 Orchid Miss Jinisha Karkhanis, Grade 4 Tulip Master Krishna Kataria, Grade 5 Orchid Master Varun Nandu, Grade 5 Tulip Miss Mahi Pandey, Grade 6 Miss Jisha Kanade, Grade 7 Miss Freya Doshi, Grade 8 Miss Sharanya Polji. Let's give them a big round of applause. We now move to the next prestigious award of category of awards, the Star Students Award. I invite the dignitaries to felicitate these exceptional students who have demonstrated outstanding performance and remarkable potential. Nursery, Ms. Divyanshi Shete, Junior KG, Ms. Nirmay Gohil, Senior KG Orchid, Ms. R.V. Narkar, Senior KG Tulip, Master Hiyan Dharad, Grade 1 Orchid, Ms. Mahi Gangar, Grade 1 Tulip, Ms. Aiden Mehta, Grade 2 Orchid, Ms. Swara Satre, Grade 2 Tulip, Ms. Meera Mehta, Grade 3 Orchid, Master Heath Cheda, Grade 3 Tulip Miss Pruha Bahadur Purkar, Grade 4 Orchid Miss Hazel Vasa, Grade 4 Tulip Miss Master Nahush Vaidya, Grade 5 Orchid Miss Anushka Deshmukh, Grade 5 Tulip Master Aditya Redich, Grade 6 Master Krudar Takkar, Grade 7 Miss Jaini Sanghvi, Grade 8 Miss Suruchi Sabnis, Grade 9 Miss Sanika Mohite, and Grade 10 Miss Falak Trivedi. Let's give them a big round of applause. Now turn our attention to recognizing exceptional commitment and dedication through the 100% Attendance Award. I invite our dignitaries to felicitate these remarkable students who have demonstrated unwavering dedication. Junior KG Miss Manasvi Gosavi, Senior KG Orchid Master Advika Prajapati, Senior KG Tulip Miss Veda Kanade, Miss Smiti Visaria, Grade 1 Orchid Miss Arohi Cheda, Master Ayan Rajput, Master Hetansh Kotak, Master Krishvi Gaikwad, Miss Tiara Shah, Grade 1 Tulip, Master Tanishq Parab, Miss Ruhi Soni, Miss Kioni Thar, Miss Swara Satre, Miss Viona Doshi, Master Shravan Patil, Master Ansh Cheda, Master Pranil Joban Putra, Master Pravit Patel, Master Gauransh Pawar, and Miss Haley Visaria. Let's give them a very big round of applause. In continuation with the 100% Attendance Award, now I call upon Grade 3 Orchid Master Ayan Shezwal, Master Hiya Thakkar, Master Uddish Patil, Master Urav Dedhia, Master Yug Gosrani, Master Yugandhar Vaskar, Miss Janvi Meshra, Miss Urvi Deshmukh, Grade 3 Tulip, Master Atharva Madhvi, Miss Durva Aire, Miss Yuvika Kundalia, Miss Advika Iyer, Master Arush Durve, Grade 4 Orchid, Master Atish Manzrekar, Master Devang Kulkarni, Miss Gauri Kulkarni, Miss Jinisha Karkhanis, Miss Sanvi Saraf, Master Manas Vaiti, and Master Shaurya Chavan. Let's give them a very big round of applause. In continuation with the 100% attendance award, now I call upon Grade 5 Orchid Miss Kashmi Yadav, Master Aditya Chaudhary, Miss Anushka Deshmukh, Miss Priska Dedia, Master Sairaj Gharat, Grade 5 Tulip, Master Parv Sawant, Miss Adya Jadhav, Miss Viha Karania, Grade 6, Master Ishan Gupta, Master Gaurang Panat, Master Gaurang Panat, Miss Ivani Thar, Master Pushkar Keni, Master Kartik Dedia, Grade 7, Miss Abhinya Jadhav, Master Arnav Nikam, Miss Hardika Shetty, Grade 8, Master Shlok Pawar, Miss Sharanya Polji, Grade 9, Master Vyandaya, and Master Darsh Gala of Grade 10. Now we proudly we would like to mention here that it's not easy to achieve 100% attendance, but our children have really they have great dedication, and dedicatedly, honestly, they have attended the school. They're very determined to receive this 100% attendance award. So let's give them a very big round of applause. And now we proudly recognize the academic brilliance of our Grade 12 IGCSE board students who have achieved exceptional results. Our distinguished dignitaries will now honor these outstanding scholars who have demonstrated extraordinary academic excellence in their A-level examination. I call upon Master Harsh Nagda and Ms. Sabrina Prabhu to receive this award. Very consistent and hardworking throughout their academic journey. So let's give them a very big round of applause once again. Celebrating the academic excellence, we honor our Grade 10 IGCSE board's most outstanding performers. Our esteemed dignitaries will now recognize these remarkable students who have showcased exceptional intellectual prowess and scholarly achievement. Now I call upon IGCSE Grade 10 students to receive the award. Master Sahil Shivangikar, Master Meet Bhanushali, Miss Vanandi Shinde, Miss Falak Trivedi, Master Yash Nagda, Master Jugansh Kotecha, Master Nishant Prabhu, and Master Arnav Patil. Congratulations to all the winners. You inspire us all. Now it's time to felicitate the true heroes of our educational community, our remarkable principal and teachers. Each award we present symbolizes not just years of service but countless moments of inspiration, guidance, and transformative impact that extend far beyond classroom walls. Today, we applaud these extraordinary individuals who transform lives, build dreams, and continue to be the heartbeat of our educational institution. Firstly, I call upon our Honorable Principal Sir, Mr. V.P. Prabhu, to receive the award of the Founder Principal, 15 Years Completion Award, Loyalty Award, and A-Level Award. Also, Principal Sir is celebrating his Silver Jubilee this year, marking 25 years of dedicated teaching. His unwavering commitment and visionary leadership have laid the foundation for excellence in education. I respect our honorable dignitaries to present these awards. Thank you so much. Now, I call upon our senior-most teacher, Mr. Vishwas Rao Shinde, on stage to receive the Founder Teacher Award, 15 Years Completion Award, and Loyalty Award. I request our honorable dignitaries to present these awards. Thank you, sir. Now I call upon our senior-most teacher, Miss Jacqueline Mary, on stage to receive the Founder Teacher Award, 15 Years Completion Award, Loyalty Award, and IGCSE Teacher Award. I request honorable dignitaries to present these awards. Thank you, ma'am. Now I call upon our senior-most teacher, Ms. Neha Bhagat, on stage to receive the Founder Teacher Award, 15 Years Completion Award, Loyalty Award, and IGCSE Teacher Award. I request honorable dignitaries to present these awards. Let's give them a very big round of applause. Thank you, ma'am. Now I call upon Ms. Mansi Adia on stage to receive the Loyalty Award. I request honorable dignitaries to present this award to Ms. Mansi Adia. Now I call upon Mr. Arun Pratap Singh on stage to receive the Loyalty Award and IGCSE Teacher Award. I request honorable dignitaries to present these awards to Mr. Arun Pratap Singh. Now I call upon Ms. Sita Iyer on stage to receive the Loyalty Award. I request honorable dignitaries to present this award to Ms. Sita Iyer. Ms. Sita Iyer has completed 13 years teaching in our school. Thank you, ma'am. Now I call upon Ms. Ami Kumbhat on stage to receive the Loyalty Award. I request honorable dignitaries to present this award to Ms. Ami Kumbhat. Ms. Ami Kumbhat is also associated with our school for more than 10 years. Miss Ami Kumbat has completed 12 years in our school. Thank you, ma'am. Now I call upon Miss Aditi Shivangikar on stage to receive the 10 years completion award. I request honorable dignitaries to present this award to Miss Aditi Shivangikar. Thank you, ma'am. Now I call upon Miss Jacinta DeCosta on stage to receive the 10 years completion award. I request honorable dignitaries to present this award. Miss Jacinta is very popular, this seems. Thank you, ma'am. Now I call upon Miss Ashwini Kamble on stage to receive the 5 years completion award. I request honorable dignitaries to present this award to Miss Ashwini Kamble. Thank you, ma'am. Now I call upon Miss Anju Sibbil on stage to receive the 5 years completion award. I request honorable dignitaries to give this award to Miss Anju Sibbil. Now I call upon Miss Namrata Periwal on stage to receive the 5 years completion award. I request honorable dignitaries to present this award to Miss Namrata Periwal. Now I call upon Miss Bindu Anand on stage to receive the IGCSE Teacher Award. I request honorable dignitaries to give this award to Miss Bindu Anand. Now I call upon Miss Neelam Yadav on stage to receive the IGCSE Teacher Award. I request honorable dignitaries to present this award to Miss Neelam Yadav. I call upon Miss Priya Gaur on stage to receive the 100% attendance award. The IGCSE award is for the teachers who have trained their students well in their respective subjects and the students who have received A star in their subject. So this is for their achievement. And now Ms. Priya Gaur is receiving the 100% attendance award from the honorable dignitaries. Thank you, ma'am. Now Mr. Jaykumar Nadar is on stage to receive the 100% attendance award. I extend heartfelt congratulations to all the esteemed winners of these prestigious awards. We sincerely appreciate the dignitaries on stage for their presence and support. Kindly take your seats. Your participation is invaluable. Thank you for being here today.